The Robinson R66 Turbine, just about $1 million. It is an impressive little airplane. Seats 5, and
oh really?
the captain is actually sitting in the right seat on this baby. Yeah. So just flew a helicopter over here, and I was in the left seat. I was in the right seat, and the pilot, the captain, was sitting in the left seat. It's an impressive little machine. This is a Robinson R66.
Just in 9 months.
Little engine back there.
No.
Storage, fuel.
Yeah, it's got to stop somewhere.
Yeah.
So where's the regular tank?
On the other side up top.
This really takes up all that room that they brag about. But
Well,
man,
it's
you can,
removable.
it's
You
removable.
can pull it out when you're not using it.
Oh, that's good. But there's still decent baggage area there. Yeah, but with that gone, man, it's really. Oh yeah, but I mean that's still that's where the engine. That's where the 540.
So it's funny hearing all these guys who are like aviation experts. It's awesome.